Okay, so this is my Padlet, all of it. I guess I'll start with the title slide with my picture. That's me from graduation pics that I took and was forced to take by my roommates. Next would be the biography. Here's the link to my biography. You can see it works. I think next. Oh, here's my name tint. I think it's wrong. Um, and I'm saying why we use those. Next is the goals. My goal is still to get into grad school. I'm still working on that. Yeah, still applying. Then next is publisher, I think. And publisher, it was the app, not the app, but like it was on the desktop that we used to make these on a template about Greece. Well, mine's about Greece. And then here's my Canvas slides about it. You can look at that if you want to. Here's my Symbolo and Digo. Here's my Symbolo. These are my apps. Netflix, Hulu, MyLSU, Facebook, Twitter. And then Digo. Here are my apps that I got for Greece, for sources, and then the apps that were on Symbolo. Okay, go back. Next we have, I guess the keynote All About Us. I did this with Rachel, I think was her name. But I did mine on my slides or my keynote, and she did hers on her keynote. So it's only of me. Here, I think it's opening. So these are just mine. So I think she probably has the whole one. It's on her computer. And I was gonna put the Google Drive one, but I know you wanted the link to the document. Next here is the presentation of my website. Of my app. That is from Google Slides. It was really easy. Okay. Next is my blog, which I really like to do. It was really cool, and here are the links. It's about health and wellness. And it opened up a whole new tab to get there because this is Blogger on Google. Then it's Google Site, which is really cool. Also makes a whole new link. It goes to a site about me, and it has all these different things. Here's my resume, my personal information. Okay, going back, the last thing is the movie, and I'm not going to play it, but it will play. Or you can go to it if you want to, or you don't even have to go to it. You can just, you can go to it. I like Padlet. It like puts everything together, and like I like how you can write a description about each thing, and it makes me feel very organized. Um, I really like this class. It simplified a lot of things for me. So thank you, Miss Debbie. Um, I like how it has the pictures too added to it, and it has links exactly where they are. I like this. It seems very organized. Um, so yeah, I'll probably use it again. I'm not gonna lie.